My name is Josie. Welcome to my channel. Love the romantic, feminine, and vintage style of shabby chic look? This is only a suggestion of how a house could look from the inside. Floor plans are essential when designing and building a home. A good floor plan can increase the enjoyment of the home by creating a nice flow between spaces. Floor plans are useful to help design furniture layout. This plan comes equipped with one bedroom and one bath. Living room. Flowers are perfect accent piece in a shabby chic style space. Kitchen. A small kitchen and a living room were designed as one continuous space in an open floor plan. Bathroom. A shabby chic bathroom uses colors that are soft and feminine. Bedroom. The master bedroom is located separately from the living area, allowing privacy and comfort. Deck. Bring in accessories to give your deck a shabby chic look.